what is brackets 6 plus the square root of 13, close brackets, open brackets, 6 take away the square root of 13, close brackets. So we have to solve this. And there is just a couple of things you should know. When you multiply two squares together, so I say I have the square root of a multiplied by the square root of a, you get the number, because really when you write square root of 8, this is actually 8 to the power of a half. And when you, due to the laws of indices, when you multiply two numbers with the same base number, the indices get added, so it will be a half plus a half, which goes to 1, which is just a. So you know that because we're going to need it. As you can see, we have two square root of 13s here. Okay, that's the first thing you should note. And the second thing, when you have 8 plus b and 8 take away b, this simplifies to a squared take away b squared. Because what you do is you multiply a times a, which is a squared, and then a times minus b, which is negative ab, and then b times a plus ba, and then b times negative b, b squared. And because you have ba take away ab, this is the same thing, so they cancel out to 0. So this go, and you're left with a squared take away b squared. Okay. And as you can see, hopefully, we actually are using this form here over here. So this would be a, b, b. So what we can do is we can just get the values of a and b and plug them into this. So a is 6 and b is the square root of 13 from this. So we get 6 squared, take away the square root of 13 squared by plugging a and b to a squared take away b squared, because this is this simplified, which is this. So 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36, and as I've said before, the square root of any number, square root of a times square root of a, is the square root of a squared, which is just a. So what's the square root of 13 squared? 13. And we have this minus in the middle. So now we're just left with 36 take away 13, which I'm sure you can figure out, is 23. So that would be our answer. So the answer for the problem of the day for the 23rd of June is 23. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.